Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the June subscription box from Pipsticks, the stationery subscription box, and I love their packaging. Today just got brighter, and I've actually already looked inside because also my nephew was here at the time when I opened it, and he loves stickers, so he thought it was cool too. Okay, so here's a card telling you everything that's in it. You get $100 worth of goodies, and so the first thing, you get sticker confetti, really cool. And I should open it up so you can see what comes inside. Oops. It's like astrology theme, which is really cool. So it's like a snake. Let's see this. Oops. It's like a book with an eye on it. Looks cool. What else? Ooh, a crystal ball. Love that. What else? Stuff. Oopsie. And then it looks like a little bottle of like potions or something. That's cool. And I think there may be something else. I think there's a feather, pink and purple with silver accents. I think, oh, there's one more thing. Like for this astrological signs, there's a hand with a planet on it, really pretty. So those are all the sticker confettis that you get in there. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different designs. I love using them in my journals, they're so fun. So okay. Next thing is puffy stickers, and these are cool. These are all the signs like Libra and Taurus and Scorpio, Gemini, and puffy stickers are so cool. I love those. And they're sparkly too. You can kind of see there at the top. They're candles, really cool. And then we have some traveler's notebooks. It says it's written in the stars. And you get a second traveler's notebook with the signs on it too. This is with 48 dotted pages. These pretty notebooks will turn heads and are just perfect for writing, doodling, and taking notes on the go. This one, oh, this is a lined one. That's neat. So you're lined in a dot grid notebook. And then you get 12 postcards. I'll take it out so you can see what one looks like. Almost got the tape off here. This one looks like it's got like the confetti, that holographic silver foil. Ooh, and if you can see that on camera, but look at all those colors shining. The little eye with the stamp would go. That's really fun. And next, you also get all the astrological signs in sticker form. So these are glow in the dark. So we have Pisces, is the first one. Then we have Capricorn, Aquarius, Sagittarius, really cool, purple and yellow, and like it says let's go on an adventure, fly away with me, and then it says Sagittarius vibes. Libra, go with the flow. Libra vibes, let's all be chill. So cool that you glow in the dark too. I wonder if I could test it out, turn off the lights and see if they glow. Complex by nature, that's Scorpio vibes. Then we have Aries, and it says don't hate me because I'm driving. Leave it to me, I'm an Aries. And here's my birth month. I was born July 23rd, and I'll be 36 this year. So it says back up, I'm a Leo. Hear me roar, Leo vibes. Love that. Cancer, I'm actually technically almost a Cancer because July cutoff is like July 22nd. So I'm like some sort of a Cancer. So that says Cancer vibes. Crying every day is my aesthetic. So cute. And then Gemini. My mom's a Gemini and my dad's a Gemini. My mom's is June 16th and my dad's is June 7th, so their birthdays are close together. And it says Geminis run the world, double trouble, and it's got an alien and a peace sign. That's cute. I think I have an idea for that one, but since my mom's in the room, I'm leaving that a surprise. Virgo is the next one. It says always right. Virgo vibes. Virgos to the rescue. And the last one is Taurus. Did you say that right? Wait.
Taurus?
I think it's Taurus. I don't know. Hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong. Ambitious is my middle name. And it's really cool. So maybe at the end I'll turn off the lights and see how they glow. They may need to be more under the light first. But. And then my favorite, we get alphabet pip stickers. So I'll open it up so you can see. You get 5 of each. Love the gold accents on there, so pretty. And my favorite of all time, washi tape. So you get, oops. Oh, this one has all the signs on it too. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini. That's really cool. Then, my favorite crystals. I love crystals. I love their other crystal washi too, but I think this one's my favorite. Ooh. It pops with the black as the background. And then the last one is again is the signs with like the I think they're called tarot cards. Here's that one. Oops. And then the last thing, put this back. Is this really cute astronaut pen, and it took me a few minutes to figure it out, but if you take the little astronaut off, there's where you write. Took me a few minutes to figure that out, but really cute. My nephew loves astronauts, so he seemed interested in that too. And the rest is just the packaging that I want to at some point figure out how to reuse. Maybe I can use it as like instead of tissue paper in a gift bag or something. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.